morning, guys. Welcome back to the next vlog. We're starting it again from the basement with two point of views, one from the phone, one from the DJI. And we're just hoping to have fun today again. Another Sunday, another breakfast ride. So we are starting from the basement and hoping for good things to happen. For this vlog, I'm going to make you meet someone very special. Hopefully interview him for a while, ask him plenty of questions. Because he's come back from his journey of almost 1 month touring west and south of India. And we are going to know about his experience and his fun. This is my look. This is my helmet, my setup already done. Let me show you how the bike looks. This is what the bike looks like. I've already given it the cold start. So now I'm just going to get on it and reach our flag off location, which is like a good 30 minutes away. I'm on time today, fortunately, so I'm in no rush. So I'll take my good time to vlog.
Oh my god! Wow!
Probably leave after that. Yogesh bhai. Hello. I don't think he's in. This is the new Yogesh bhai, of course. But I don't think he is in much mood to, Yeah, it's too early for him, as it is for everyone else. Look at it, how beautiful it looks. We put the trip meter to 0 today. आज मुझे याद रहा ये करना. So we're going to see how does the trip go for today. What's the max speed that we hit? What's our total distance that we cover? And also the mileage that we get for today's trip. So let's go. On the flyover, as you can see, the ISKCON temple just passed, and we are on our way to the flag off location. The map shows another 32 minutes, but hopefully we are going to do it in lesser time. Already receiving messages from people who are probably already there, and we are going to see what the day has in store for us. For some reason, I don't know why, it's not, well, thankfully it's not foggy, but I don't see any bikers today. Is it probably too early that I'm leaving, or I don't know what's happening. Oh, interestingly, we are going at a, well, the location is like inside the city only, like probably like somewhere in South Delhi. You will know once we are there. And the fun part is that we are taking a route which I've done before, although all by myself, and it's like a public racetrack. Because, well, the road is very good, obviously, and secondly there are like a lot of twisties on there, because it's like right between Aravali, so you're going left, right and center all the time. So that's the fun part that we are going to experience today, and you will also get to experience with me. I will try to make sure that I get all of it on camera, because it's a super fun ride, and the roads are really good. The twisties make it even more fun, and I missed the exit because I was talking to you guys. But just learn the technique of how there's a biker. I see one. Let's see if we can get some glimpse of him. That's a proper super bike as well. I'll try to catch it up. Do you see how his helmet has this blinker thingy on?
A few moments later.
It's an S1K, I guess. Nice. Beautiful. I love that bike. It's a very, very cool super bike. One of the most loaded tech-wise. And I don't think he looked at me, but that's okay. He's in a proper leather suit as well, guys. Just so you know. No, he didn't. Oh, that's a Ducati, isn't it? That's a very... Oh, that's got like the custom exhaust on it as well. Oh my god. There's no license plate on it yet, because it's still very, very new. He doesn't even have proper riding shoes, but that's like a crazy motorcycle, man. Oh my god. बहुत sexy भाई. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. Oh my god. Guys, just so you know, that's the Panigale V4 and the exhaust that he has on it, the custom exhaust, that's from Akrapovic, and that costs like 15 lakhs. Three bikes that I am riding on currently. 3. Just for the exhaust. That's so mad, man. Oh my god. Those are actual rare machines, very rare. It's like spotting a bloody snow leopard, honestly. Man, I really want to ride with Superbike someday. I mean, catching up would be a problem. I do understand that, but I just really want to ride with them once. Interestingly, the flag of location मेरे घर से ज़्यादा दूर थी than the destination that we are planning for today, which is like a cafe somewhere in South Delhi. And it's like, are we sure that this is where I have to go? Because why is this happening? Why is the the flag of location farther away from me than the destination that we are planning to go? Even though you say if we take a direct road from our flag of location to the destination, it's less than like 10-15 minutes of ride, but we are not doing that. We are going on a public racetrack, like I mentioned. These stupid ass really see that it's a red light and one is supposed to stop. Always follow traffic rules, guys. Don't see, good person. Thank you. Just another 10 minutes away and we'll be at our destination very, very soon. Guys, I want to know what YouTube channels do you watch generally? Like what are your go-tos? If you're into YouTube, of course, that's it. What are the channels that you are going to watch religiously, and what are the other channels that interest you? What are the genres? Like, is it tech based? Is it just comedy? Is it brain rot? Because I don't judge, but please do share. What's your YouTube go-to? Of course, if you are watching a Grimm's Aprilia, I think you have really good taste. So I don't think there's any point to be judging on that, because if you're watching here and you're commenting, you're all good. You're not crazy, I'm pretty sure of that. The location was somewhere we had gone before, so it wasn't about that. It was about just riding with new people. But then the heart wants what it wants, and we both agreed that bhai, saal ka pehla ride hai, we should be doing it with the Motorheads. That's our family, that's our brothers. And here we are, just 5 minutes away from the flag of location. Doesn't matter if it's 2 or 20, it's just about the love, the brotherly love, and the bond that we have. That's what it's all about. Even if I'm riding with just one person out of there, it's going to be better than anywhere else, honestly. I think that's what makes us so well closed, knit together, and that's what I like about this group. The other groups, I'm talking like मैं बहुत सारों के साथ गया हूँ, but whatever I've experienced, in my personal opinion, of course, people are obviously nice, people are great, good, whatever, but I just didn't feel that connection, something that I felt here. And Yeah, I think that's what I'll always keep with me and continue to ride with them. So we are at the flag off location, guys. We are at the Aravali Biodiversity Park. This is what it looks like. This is the entry. All the bikes are already lined up. Everybody's just suiting up to start the ride. Let me show you the lineup for today.
Todo lo que vea, porque sabe lo que es la todo lo que vea, todito, todito.
Alright guys, we are on our way to our final destination, the breakfast spot. Interestingly, that's only 15 kilometers away, but we are taking a long route, around 60-65 kilometers. Hopefully it's going to be fun. We have around 10 bikers today, and hopefully we're going to enjoy all of that. Say hi to the vlog.
Yeah, hi, good morning, good morning.
Rahul, say hi to the vlog.
Good morning.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
You don't say. Sandy bro, इनको नहीं लेना है vlog में, ठीक है? He is not part of it.
ये दुश्मनी बरकरार रहेगी.
बिल्कुल हमेशा. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Sir, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
We have Gaurav sir today on his Interceptor. Sir, मैं एक बार टेस्ट राइड लूँ वहाँ पे जाके. अभी नहीं बात. And of course the leader, always here. Lovely gesture last night, man. I mean, I was talking about it on the way here, and मैं कह रहा था यार हम लोग सिर्फ संडे मिलते हैं 2-3 घंटे के लिए. He has met this guy 3 times in his life, and the gesture that he did, so grand. Genuinely emotional. Genuinely. So much appreciation, and I feel like that's what differentiates this group from everything else. It's not the same anywhere else. Loved it. Motor Edge Brotherhood. For life. आप देख के बताओ, ऐसा यहाँ सारी बाइक दिख रही है. सबसे सेक्सी बाइक कौन सी है? सबसे सेक्सी बाइक कौन सी है? अरे यार, आपके ओपिनियन में लेट्स गो. Taking a ride from here. Guys, I was just reclaiming my spot. I got left too far behind. Now I'm back where I'm supposed to be.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar.
RN5. Woohoo! That's a solid exhaust for an RN5, yeah? I think it's HC Project. Short can, that is. Good, very good beginner bike. Every time I see such thing, I'm really tempted to go fast. Genuinely, super tempted. I think that was him enacting how I look on the bike. Oh, that's a 209. Oh, there's another Aprilia. I नहीं वो आगे देख ही नहीं रहा है. Oh my god. Getting left behind by a cruiser was not on my wish list. Look at all the monkeys enjoying the winter chilly morning. अभी हमारा वायरल मोमेंट हो गया था. सही में.
एक अच्छा कंटेंट मिलते मिलते बच गया.
अरे भाई वायरल कंटेंट था यार. अभी वायरल मोमेंट था हमारा. सारे अरे
हाय कर रहा था.
मैंने भी हाथ छोड़ा हुआ था. वो पता चला रोड इतनी मुड़ रही है, पता ही नहीं चला. We have reached our breakfast spot. All the bikes are parked. आ रहा है 2 minutes. So अभी now we'll go inside and I'll show you the bikes set first and then we'll go inside and shoot some more. These are all the bikes lined up. We are in GK. That's the market. This side as well. Now we're going to go inside, have some nice food. We're going to this cafe called Get a Fix. That's where we have reserved our spot. That's the whole crew walking forward. And let's see what do we have in breakfast for us.
What now?
Just buy.
Just buy?
Just buy. We'll do a night ride once, no?
He's a cute, you know, just like his bike.
जाओ यार. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Nice meeting you. अच्छा मुझे लगा जा ही रहे हो तो जाओ.
Nice riding, bro.
Nice riding as always. But I want to see Jixar next time.
I'll try.
Please try. Lovely meeting you, sir.
Don't mind यार, हंसी मजाक कर रहा है.
No. Sir, lovely meeting you.
मेरा शोरूम ना 5 किलोमीटर है. ऑल बाइक स्टे इन माय शोरूम. तो अगर मुझे रात को बाइक लानी है संडे मॉर्निंग.
Where do I have to come?
नफरगढ़.
I'll come.
Please come.
Yes.
We will sit and enjoy.
Yes, done.
Joke around a lot. We will laugh
क्योंकि
around a lot.
I have to cross 4 villages, 20 packs of dogs to reach my home. Then again morning 5 बजे मैं निकलता हूँ ना, 2 गांव के कुत्ते पहले से ऐसे रहते हैं. हाँ,
बट जिक्सर तो है.
वो ये कहते हैं कि जितनी साउंड है वो कम कर, हमारी साउंड ज्यादा हो.
जिक्सर तो.
मैंने बहुत कटवा रखा है. I'm
चलो,
expert.
नाइस मीटिंग यू. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
जो पीछे बैठे
बाय
हैं,
बाय राहुल भैया, सी यू नेक्स्ट राइड. चल ब्रो, बाय बाय, सी यू. बाय सर, सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड सर. सी यू. चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर. आ रहा हूँ बस. चलो बाय 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 बाय. सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड.
नेक्स्ट राइड ओके.
सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड जोइश भैया.
अरे बिल्कुल.
चलो बाय बाय. सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड.
पीछे से
सी यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट राइड. See you on the next ride, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, back on the road by ourselves now, by myself. अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने घर की तरफ. 36 minutes of journey. Okay, yes. Hopefully, we have planned so on the upcoming long weekend, which is the Republic Day weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I'll hopefully do my first long trip on the Aprilia. So hopefully it works out. I'm counting on things to work out. Let's see. We have a few people who have agreed for it. So if it does work out, I'll do my first long trip on the Aprilia. So I need to get some things prepared for it before though. I'll probably go and buy a tail bag, and then what else do I need? I think that is majorly it for the long trip. So just a tail bag and then some bungee cords. That should do the job for my luggage. Everything else, probably a hydration pack. That could be something which is useful. So I'll get that. And yes, I'll be all set for my first long trip. I just hope it happens smoothly. No barriers in between. Hopefully. So counting on that. Let's go. Wait, is that a Ducati? No. Apache. Yeah, but अच्छा कर रखा है उसने रात. Back in the red. Nice, अच्छा लग रहा है भाई. Good rap. Yes, I always wanted to know what is this building for. Looks very fancy, but there's no board, there's nothing. It's probably empty, but it looks really nice. Like very well constructed, classy is the right word I would say. Okay, they put the screen holder as well. Guys, if you come across this vlog and you're from Noida, please do hit me up on my Instagram. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Let's ride together sometime. Every time I have to ride, I have to go all the way to Delhi, Gurgaon, because that's where all my friends are who usually ride. So if you're based in Noida and you like to ride motorcycles, do hit me up on my Instagram. Let's catch up sometime, do a ride around, maybe get some good food. So that should be fun. Yeah. Day. Let's check on the stats. How are we doing? We have done a total of 113 kilometers, top speed of 170. Let's go. And then mileage of 24.1 kilometers per liter. If you made it this far, thank you for all the love. Thank you for watching, sharing, tuning in with the vlog. I would really appreciate if you're watching, please leave a comment. I would love to read the comment left by you guys if you're watching the vlog, and if you like any bits here and there, do mention that. Something there's something you don't like, also do mention that. So this will be it for this vlog. I hope you had a fun time watching it, and I hope you enjoy and stay tuned in for what's to come. A long ride soon, hopefully. Until then, take care, be happy, see you soon, bye bye.